I managed to monetize a YouTube channel in just 30 days, and I did it all using artificial intelligence software. You heard that right. No costly outsourcing, no endless hours of work, and no expensive equipment. In this video, I'll show you the entire process, step by step, and reveal how much I made at the end of the month. So if you're looking for a way out of the daily grind and into a fresh stream of income, stay tuned because you're in for a treat. It all started in late December when I was just fed up with my job and desperate for a change. I began exploring various online income opportunities and stumbled across the concept of YouTube automation. It seemed like the perfect solution. Creating videos on topics that interested me, sharing them with the world, and potentially making a decent income. But there was just one tiny problem. I was either working all day or broke. Then it struck me I could leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology like ChatGPT to create amazing videos with little to no cost. And that's precisely what I did. Step 1 was choosing the perfect niche. The first and most crucial step in building a successful YouTube channel is selecting the right niche for you. A niche helps you target a specific audience and create content that appeals to their interests. This can help you build a loyal following of viewers who are more likely to engage with your content and become subscribers. It also helps you differentiate yourself from the competition. There are millions of videos on YouTube, and finding the right niche can help you stand out from the crowd. By focusing on a specific topic or theme, you can establish yourself as an authority figure in that area and attract many more viewers. It also helps you attract advertisers and sponsors. Step 2 would be finding the right video topics to create YouTube videos on. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find the right video topics for you. This can be challenging, but there are a few steps that can make it a lot easier for you. First is to research your niche and see what videos have been performing well for other channels. To do this, click on similar videos in the suggested sidebar until you find a wealth of video ideas. Look for videos that have more views than subscribers and still have a lot of views per hour. You can use the vidIQ extension for Google Chrome to help you with this. Now that you have your video topics sorted, it's time to use ChatGPT to generate an interesting script for your video. Simply ask ChatGPT to write an engaging YouTube video for your topic, using a conversational tone and language that is easy to understand. By using this method, you can create a video script within mere minutes, without having to pay anyone on Fiverr or Upwork up to $50 per video script. This means you can produce a lot more content every day, with at least one video per day being a realistic goal. Of course, it's always a good idea to go through the script and make some adjustments to ensure it sounds right. Nonetheless, this approach provides a great foundation for creating quick and simple video scripts. Step 4 would be generating an AI-powered voiceover. The next step involves creating an AI-powered voiceover for your video. My preferred text-to-speech software is Play.ht, which boasts some of the most realistic sounding voices on the market. The best plan allows you to create unlimited voiceover, making it an excellent tool for your YouTube channel. Here's how it works. Start by opening a new document and pasting the script you generated from ChatGPT into the software. Then select a voice that matches your channel style, and the software will automatically generate a voiceover within minutes. Once it's finished, export the audio file and move on to the next step, which is actually creating the video. Step 5 involves Pictory.ai to create the actual video. After finalizing the video topic and voiceover, it's time to create the actual video. Pictory.ai is a fantastic tool for this task. With its text-to-video feature, you can input a script and the software will automatically generate a video using stock images and pre-made blocks. This process is all done through artificial intelligence and is extremely efficient, taking only a few minutes. In the past, creating a video like this would have required paying an editor upwards of $100, but with Pictory.ai, it's a breeze. Once you've pasted the script, the software generates a video with certain scenes, which you can edit to match the text as closely as you would like. When you're satisfied with how your video looks, move on to the next step, which would be uploading the voiceover to Pictory. Since some of the AI-generated voices on Pictory do not actually sound realistic, this could hinder your chances of getting monetized. It's essential to use the voiceover you created with Play.ht. The best part of Pictory.ai is that it automatically syncs your voiceover to the scenes, eliminating the need for further editing. Step 6 would be adding background music. After syncing the voiceover, the next step is to add background music to your video. Pictory AI offers a vast library of background music choices, all of which are included in your plan. I recommend setting the music to a low volume, around 2%, so that it adds to the video's atmosphere without overpowering the voiceover. Once you've added the music, you're ready to generate the video and upload it to YouTube. But there's still one final task to complete: creating the thumbnail. Step 7 would be creating the thumbnail with Midjourney AI. A thumbnail is a critical component of a successful YouTube video, as it's the first thing viewers see when browsing the platform. Midjourney AI can help you create a captivating thumbnail without any prior experience. Simply prompt the bot on Discord and it will generate an image for you. It's as simple as typing in a command and specifying the type of image you actually want to create. Once you have your thumbnail, upload it to YouTube and you're all set.
So when they need on you, it's their way of showing affection and comfort. Next, let's talk about the infamous zoomies.
With everything in place, I scheduled daily uploads as it was now incredibly easy to create videos. Soon enough, one of my videos went viral, which helped me gain monetization quickly and allowed me to earn my first dollar. After following all the guidelines I outlined in this video, I started to earn $100 per day for a combined total of almost $600. And to prove that this first channel success wasn't a fluke, I repeated the same process with another channel. So if you're interested in learning more about that journey as well, let me know in the comments.